To be able to view your billing statement on your PLDT Wi-Fi, it is actually pretty simple. You need first to download the PLDT Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Log in with your registered mobile number or email. Once you're in, tap Billing and you'll see your current and past statement, including the due date and amount. Option number two is that you need to go to this page right here, which is the myPLDThome.com. You need to sign in with your credentials. Now, click on your bills on the dashboard and you can view, download, or print your billing statement from there. You'll also receive a monthly billing email from PLDT. You just need to check your inbox or spam folder for the PDF copy of your bill. That's it. Whether you're using the app, website, or email, PLDT makes it easy to stay on top of your bills.